And another thing to be aware of in Windsurf, this is one of the things that really confused me inside of Cursor. Cursor has something called a composer, and a chat, and an editor, and an agent. They all have different powers and different permissions on things that they're allowed to use. In the Windsurf world, I believe that is all called Cascade, and that's this box here on the right. This Cascade, as I understand it, can browse the web, can view all of your files, can change your files. There's a chat mode, which is just conversational, that doesn't actually go in and actually change your files. And then if you actually want to give it control to go in and change the files, you could change it to write. Okay. You can also choose your LLM model. When I was playing with this the other night, since I'm still on the free service, I was using this non-premium Cascade base, and that worked okay. It gave me some boilerplate code, got me up and running. It was okay, but not great. Then I switched to this Claude 3.5 Sonnet. If you read their pricing page, I believe every request uses a premium credit, and you get, I think it's 50 credits. Oh, here it is right here. I used 17 credits the other night out of 50. Once I hit 50, then if I like where this is going, then I guess I'll purchase a subscription. Okay. Now there is a Claude 3.7 Sonnet that's out there that is getting some mixed reviews. It seems to be very smart, but very adventurous. It goes out there and kind of makes some changes that you're not really asking for. It anticipates what you want. That could be good, that could be bad. We're going to stick just to Claude 3.5 Sonnet for this project. So another quick note on this Cascade base LLM. Again, it's free, so you can play with it as much as you want. In doing some research on what LLM is that actually, it's really not published what it is. Some people think that it's an earlier version of Claude. Some really don't know. Again, it seemed functional for basic purposes, so you can play around with that. But don't expect it to be as powerful as the premium models.